Keeping your family safe has never been more important. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful apps that let you track your loved one's location in real time. And at the end, I'll also share a simple no app method, perfect if you don't want to install anything at all. Let's start with KidsGuard Pro. This is a powerful parental control tool available for both Android and iPhone. It comes with features like call and message monitoring, app usage tracking, social media monitoring, and browser history tracking. But where it really stands out is its GPS tracking capabilities. You get real-time location tracking, detailed location history, and accurate positioning displayed on Google Maps. It also includes a geofencing feature, allowing you to create safe zones and receive instant alerts whenever your family members enter or leave those areas. It's easy to use and completely legal as long as your family members are aware and have given their consent. Next is mSpy, one of the most popular monitoring apps available for both Android and iPhone. It offers highly accurate real-time GPS tracking, allowing you to see exact current location of your family members at any time. You can also view detailed location history so you know where they have been throughout the day. The app frequently updates location data, making it reliable for continuous tracking. On top of that, it includes geofencing, which lets you set specific zones and receive instant alerts when those boundaries are crossed. Along with these strong location tracking features, it also allows you to monitor online activities, messages, and app usage, making it a complete tracking solution. The third app is Umobix, which is especially effective for Android users. It provides fast and accurate real-time GPS tracking, allowing you to monitor live location with minimal delay. You can check the exact whereabouts of your family members anytime and track their movements easily. It also offers location updates that help you understand their movement patterns over time. While it does not include geofencing, its location tracking is smooth, reliable, and easy to access through its simple dashboard. In addition, it offers features like call logs, messages, social media monitoring, and app activity tracking, making it a strong all-around parental control app. Here are 3 reliable apps to track the location of your loved ones. However, if you need a solution to track someone's location without them knowing or installing any app, you can use GeoFinder. It works by simply sending a tracking link to the person's phone number. Once they click on the link, their location is instantly captured and displayed on your online dashboard. No app installation or complicated setup is required. The best part, if you sign up through my link, you'll get a $1 trial for 24 hours, allowing you to track anyone using just their phone number. You can check the detailed reviews of all the apps and tools mentioned in this video on our channel to get deeper insights. And always remember to use these apps and services responsibly and only with the consent of your family members. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Spy Drill, and I'll see you in the next one.